Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Virtual Magic. Today I have an amazing trick for you that will help to multiply any numbers ending with 5. That is, you can square any number ending with 5 in seconds. For example, you can find the answer for this 55 into 55 in seconds, or even the 74 into 76 in seconds. This will help you to be the first in your class to answer any question that your teacher asks. Wasting no more time, let's get started. Okay, this trick can be used to find the square of any number ending with 5. Example, 55 into 55. You can easily find the square of 55 or 65, 75, etc. etc. Any number ending with 5. You can square any number ending with 5 in seconds. What you have to do first is multiply this ones place. That is 5 into 5. You have to write it as 25. Okay, now what you have to do is, excluding this ones place, the remaining digits you have to take into consideration. Now you have to multiply this number, as these both numbers are same. Any of the number, you can take any one number from these both and multiply with it with its consecutive number. That is, if we have 5 here, so we have to multiply it with 6 and write 30. If it is 6, then you have to multiply it with 7 and write 7 6 are 42. If it's 8, then you have to write 9 8 72. Similarly, you can take any number and multiply and write. In our case, it is 5 into 6, which is 30. So we have to write that before this 25. And we get the answer, which is 3025. You can check it with a calculator. Actually, this trick can be used with any numbers of this sort. That is, let me explain. Now, you have to take into consideration the ones digit. Suppose if the ones digit adds up to 10, as you can see here, 6 plus 4 is 10. As the ones digit adds up to 10, and the remaining digits should be same. As you can see, the remaining digits, which is 6, is same. This can be done with any numbers of this sort. For example, it can be done with 124 and 126, as the 4 and 6 add up to 1. It can be done with 321 and 329, as 1 and 9 add up to 1 and the remaining digits are same. You have to do it similarly. First multiply 6 and 4 and write it as 6 4s are 24. Okay, now you have to note one point here. Suppose you get a number 9 at this point, then you should not write it simply as 9. You should make it 2 digits and write it as 09. Okay, then you have to multiply 6 and 6, the next number, 6 into 7, which is 42, and write 42 here. So that's the answer, 4224. This can be done for any numbers of this sort, and you can say the answers in a second. Thanks for watching.